Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you know what is the main reason waterproofing system fail? In fact, wrong application. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to apply waterproofing system using Pentenes FLESEAL T-200 Elastomeric waterproofing coating. To begin, clean the application surface from any dirt or debris. Please remember that preparation works must be done accordingly. For example, surface and crack lines repair, floor leveling, and anchor fillets. Next, I'm gonna apply Pentenes T007 cement modifier as primer layer. You may dilute the primer using clean water and apply it using brush or roller. For your information, the coverage of this primer is 0.2 kg for 1 meter square. Pentenes FLESEAL T200 is available in 3 colors, grey being the most popular, followed by white and green. This is 1.5 kg pack size, also available in 5 kg and 20 kg. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using grey color. Mix it well and you may dilute it with water if required. Apply using brush, roller, or even spray method. The coverage of Pentenes FLESEAL T200 is 0.5 kg for 1 meter square. You probably will be asking me, how many layers of coatings are sufficient? The answer, minimum of 2 coatings and best at 3 to 4 coatings. Look at how easy you can apply Pentenes FLESEAL T200. Are you interested to find out more information, the advantages, important tips, and our FAQs? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. See you!